What's good, everybody? Welcome to the Addicted to Investing channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, on today's topic that I'm bringing to you is 6 tips that I wish I knew before I started investing into the stock market. So I ain't gonna waste your time. Let's jump right into these 6 tips that I had for you that I learned off of mistakes that I made in the past. So I'm trying to skip the line for you and get you straight to the money. Let's get into it. Okay, tip number 1. Once a hater, always a hater. What do I mean by that? I'm basically stating, since you're now becoming an investor in the stock market, understand that any company that you're investing in, tend not to share with people about how many shares you do have of a company. Like, say, for example, you have 10 shares of McDonald's. Please do not let friends and everybody else know that you have 10 shares of McDonald's. And the reason why I'm saying that, you will start to see a pattern that they will try to outbuy you. They would try to buy 20 since you have 10. And it doesn't mean that they're that heavily invested into that company. It's just because they feel like since you have 10, then they're going to go for 20 to have more than you. That is a pattern I noticed, and it's annoying. So I know I'm on my page and I'm showing you the amount of shares that I have of certain stocks, but these are pre-recorded videos. So 9 times out of 10, I would have more shares than what I already shown. Okay? That's all. Next. Okay, tip number 2 now, all right? You only could do 3 day trades within 5 consecutive days if your account has less than 25,000 in your Robinhood. I'm speaking of Robinhood. I don't know about any other platforms or whatever rules they have, okay? So what that mean? What is a day trade? A day trade basically means if you buy, like, let's use this example again, McDonald's, and 5 minutes later it goes up $1,000, and you like, oh, I want to cash out and sell it, and you sell it right there within that same trading day. That is a day trade, okay? You only could do 3 of those within 5 days if your account is under 25,000. If your account is over 25,000, you can do this all day, every day. You know what I mean? This only applies to stocks, not cryptos, though. Okay, cryptos you could day trade all you want, no matter how much money you got. All right, so don't make that mistake, because if you do that, when your account has under 25,000, you do more than 3 day trades within 5 consecutive days, they're going to ban you from buying stocks for a couple of days. You're going to be suspended, okay? Now, if after you get through the suspension, if you constantly do it again, you might lose your account. I don't know, but I never made it that far. I got suspended and I learned my lessons, and it never happened again, I'm trying to make money. What is you doing? All right, next. Oh, not before we go to step number 3 now, right? Before we go there, I want to let you know, I'm going to show you exactly how it was done right now, how you can find out your amount of day trades that you completed or have done. So I'm opened in my Robinhood. You go to your menu tab, tap the first column, investing, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see your day trades. You see I have 0 of 3 day trades. So this is how you keep track to see if you getting close to being suspended. Now, next. Okay, step number 3 now. We're gonna abuse McDonald's once again now, okay? Step number 3 is set alerts on companies that you're looking to buy, okay? I got my Robinhood open, as I stated again. I'm gonna press that bell tab at the top, and then I'm gonna select price alerts. You see it says price alerts. I'm gonna add an alert. So I press the alert, and I'm gonna choose either, you could choose between price moves above or prices moves below. I'm gonna choose price move below. Say I'm just looking for McDonald's. The current price right now, they have it as $292.91. I'm looking for it to go under $280. So I place that right there, and then now it's set, okay? So now when McDonald's ever go under $280, I'm gonna get notified, because you can't be watching your stocks all the time. So if you out going about your life and you out having dinner or whatever it is, watching a movie, you gonna get the notification, yo, McDonald's moved under 280, and now you could just, all right, cool, let me go in there and buy it. You don't miss that good opportunity of getting it on sale, So that's a tip that you definitely need to know. I don't know how it works on other apps. Just the last time I'm gonna put out that disclaimer, so you gotta look on another YouTube video for somebody else that's probably could show you if you're on Webull or anything else. All right. Tip number 4, invest light but consistently. What do that mean? Don't put your whole check, if you can't afford to put up your whole check into a company, you know what I mean? Because anything in life happens. We all know your car could break, whatever. Anything that could go left could possibly go left. When that left moment kick in, you don't want to look crazy by selling this stock, a company that you thought you was going to be able to hold, but now life kicked in and now you got to pull that money back out, you know? So this is why you invest small, like $50 a week into a stock or $20 a day. So you're not having all of your liquid, which is your cash, into this company that when something go left, now you just feeling bad and depressed and it's messing up your consistency pattern. So invest light and that will help you stay consistent, okay? Tip number 5, start small, okay? Do not go out there trying to invest the 20 companies off rip. If you don't have a large amount of money, and I mean large, if you don't got like at least $1,000 to put into 20 companies off rip, then you shouldn't be doing that. If you only have $1,000 to invest up front, you should be starting off with like 2 to 3 companies. Because when you trying to make your $1,000 split into 20 companies, you're only going to see $2 here, $10 there, 50 cents here. That's not money. You're not going to feel like you're doing anything. So for you want to see real results, to you seeing positive cash flow to like hundreds to thousands, start small. Put 500 in this company, 500 in that company, 250 here, 250 there, and the remainder over there, you know? So whenever they go up, you're gonna see like $75, 150, 300, you know? Figure out the companies that you wanna make your starting 3 to starting 5 and stick to them. Build that foundation, you know what I mean? Then keep doing it. Just keep doing it to now. Anytime it goes up or down, but don't panic, it's gonna be by the hundreds to thousands, and now you gonna see that real profit side. So that's a very good tip that I found valuable for myself. Step number 6, okay? Create a system. Creating a system is very important. Have some stocks that you're gonna have short term and long term. The short term one is when it's gonna go profit, you sell, you take that and you put it into your long term. You know what I mean? Doesn't mean that the short term ones that you think is short term won't pop and could be worth more than that, but hey, do what works for you. You know what I mean? But I say have a short overnight successor and a long-term holder. So that's important for me. But even though I'm saying short-term successor, here's a bonus tip. Now that I gave y'all 6 tips that I hope you find valuable and you can apply into your investing journey, understand that investing in the stock market is not some get-rich-quick scheme. So if you think that that's what it is, that's what you're doing this, and that's what you're trying to do, it's not gonna work. You know what I mean? That's just a rare thing. That's like a lottery thing, and this is not the game for you if that's what you're doing. But those are my 6 tips of me learning from my mistakes. I hope you find it valuable. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm not gatekeeping. You can't say anybody's gatekeeping. I'm giving you all the knowledge. This is free game. I want to make money. I want you to make money. Let's help each other. Hit that like, comment, subscribe button. And it's your host, Fast Life. And I'll see you on the next video.